Good morning, everyone. I hope you all are fit and fine at your home. So, we are going to start today. Chapter number 2 is Matter Around Us Pure. In this chapter, we are going to learn about the chemical properties of matter. We will study about the chemical composition of matter. In chapter number 1st, we have read about the matter in its physical composition. We have read about matter in chapter number 1st, that matter is anything that occupy the space and had some mass. And we have studied about the three types of matter, that is solid state, liquid state and gaseous state. But in this chapter we are going to learn about the matter in its chemical composition, and chapter number 1st we have read about the matter in its physical composition. Okay, so let's start. So first topic in this is the classification of matter. On the basis of the physical state, matter is classified into three types. We have read this in chapter number 1st, that matter is divided into three types, that is solid state, liquid state and gaseous state. We read about these states in chapter number 1st. But on the basis of chemical composition, matter is classified into two main types. On the basis of chemical composition, matter को divide किया है two parts में, that is pure substance and mixture. First is pure substance and second one is mixture. But on the basis of physical properties, matter is divided into three types, that is solid, liquid and gases. But on the basis of chemical composition, matter is divided into two types. First one is pure substance and second is the mixture. So, on the basis of chemical composition, matter is classified into two types. First one is pure substance and second is the mixture. Pure substance further are of two types. Pure substances को भी further आगे divide किया गया into two substance. First one is element and second one is compound. और mixture का भी further classification किया गया है. Mixture are of two type. First one is homogeneous mixture and second one is heterogeneous mixture. So we will read about this topic of pure substances, mixture, elements and compounds in detail. Let's start. So firstly we should know what is pure substance. Pure substance क्या होता है? Pure substance is a substance which consists of only single type of substances, जिसमें एक ही टाइप के एटम्स होंगे. That is called the pure substance. Like iron, iron के सभी एटम प्रेजेंट होंगे. Copper, hydrogen, oxygen, water, sugar, common salt, all these are the example of pure substances. These consist of only single type of atoms. Their composition is of single type of atoms. Same type of atoms are present. That's why it is known as pure substance. Next one is the mixture. As the name indicates, mixture means by mixing of two pure substances. Mixture is a substance which consists of two or more pure substances, which is obtained by mixing the two or more pure substances. For example, seawater, minerals, soil, air, salt and sugar, sugar in water and salt in water, all these are the example of mixture because they are composed of two or more pure substances. Now what are the basic differences between the pure substance and the mixture? दोनों में basic differences क्या हैं? Pure substances consist of only single type of substance. Pure substances में single type के atoms present होंगे और mixture में क्या होगा? Two or more pure substances are present. Mixture is made up of two or more pure substances. Now pure substances cannot be separated into other substances by any physical method. किसी भी फिजिकल मेथड से इन प्योर सब्सटेंसेस को सेम टाइप ऑफ एटम्स को हम अलग नहीं कर सकते. सो प्योर सब्सटेंसेस कैन नॉट बी सेपरेटेड बाय एनी ऑफ द फिजिकल मेथड, बट मिक्सचर कैन बी सेपरेटेड. मिक्सचर को हम सेपरेट कर सकते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल सॉल्ट और वाटर का मिक्सचर है. For example, when we dissolve the salt in water, we can separate that salt by the process of evaporation. सो मिक्सचर ऐसे पार्टिकल्स होते हैं, ऐसे सॉल्यूशन होते हैं जो फिजिकल प्रोसेस से, फिजिकल मेथड से हम जिसको सेपरेट कर सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट, प्योर सब्सटेंस हैज़ इट्स ओन डेफिनेट प्रॉपर्टीज़. इसकी अपनी एक अलग डेफिनेट प्रॉपर्टीज़ होती हैं. बट मिक्सचर शो द प्रॉपर्टीज़ ऑफ इट्स कंपोनेंट. मिक्सचर किसकी प्रॉपर्टी शो करेगा? जिस एटम्स का वो बना है, जिन 2 और मोर एटम्स, 2 और मोर कंपाउंड से वो बना है, उसी की प्रॉपर्टी वो शो करेगा. सो प्योर सब्सटेंस हैज़ इट्स ओन डेफिनेट प्रॉपर्टीज, बट मिक्सचर शो द प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ इट्स कंपोनेंट्स. कंपोनेंट्स किसको बोल रहा है? ये मिक्सचर जिससे बना है, 2 और मोर प्योर सब्सटेंसेस से बना है, तो वो क्या है? मिक्सचर के कंपोनेंट्स है. नाउ what does pure means? Pure means all the particle of the substance are the same in its chemical nature. सभी का केमिकल नेचर सेम होगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल आयरन के पार्टिकल हैं तो आयरन के सभी पार्टिकल, आयरन के सभी एटम्स का नेचर, केमिकल नेचर क्या होगा? सेम होगा. दैट मीन्स इट इज़ प्योर. तो प्योर सब्सटेंसेस को हम इस तरीके से भी डिफाइन कर सकते हैं. दिस मीन्स अ प्योर सब्सटेंस कंसिस्ट ऑफ ओनली सिंगल टाइप ऑफ particles. Single type of particles are present. Now we have learned about the pure substances. Next we are proceeding toward the mixture. Mixture क्या होता है? Mixture is anything which is not pure. Mixture, as the name indicate, that means it is not pure and constituted by more than one kind of particle. जिसमें एक से ज़्यादा particles present होंगे. As you can see, 2 types of particles are present in this diagram. First one is pink in color and second one is yellow in color. These 2 type of particles makes the mixture. जिसमें 2 types के particles present है, that is mixture. Mixture is made up of different atoms and molecules, and these are known as substances. Most of the matter that we can see around us is the mixture. जितना भी हमारे सराउंडिंग में मोस्टली जो भी मैटर है, that is mixture. And mixture, as you know, is made up of different atoms and molecule. Mixture में क्या present है? Different kind of atoms are present in the mixture. This is also known as substances. इसको substances भी name given है. Now you should know what is a substance. Substance क्या होता है? A substance can be separated into other kinds of matter by any physical process. अगर हम 2 टाइप ऑफ पार्टिकल्स को अलग अलग कर देंगे, पिंक पार्टिकल्स हमने अलग कर दिए, येलो पार्टिकल्स हमने अलग कर दिए, बाय एनी ऑफ द फिजिकल प्रोसेस, दैट इज सब्सटेंस. उसे क्या बोलेंगे? सब्सटेंस. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, सोल्ट, शुगर कैन बी सेपरेटेड फ्रॉम वाटर. अगर हम वाटर में सॉल्ट या शुगर डिजोल्व कर रहे हैं, दैट कैन बी सेपरेटेड एज फिल्ट्रेशन और इवेपोरेशन मेथड से हम इसको सेपरेट आउट कर सकते हैं. दैट इज द फिजिकल प्रोसेस. मीन्स दैट दे आर इन द कैटेगरी ऑफ substances. I think you got about the pure substances and mixture. Further we will continue our topic in next video. Thank you.